Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Chris Time, and today I have Aubrey with me because today we actually looked at the Acura Integra Type S. Let's go. Do it. So I actually got to drive the Integra Type S, and it felt similar to the Type R. Unfortunately, I didn't get footage of me driving because I didn't have my GoPro strapped to my head. Also, the dealer didn't approve me using footage. So I actually got Aubrey to film me from the back seat, but she ended up filming the window and the back of the seat for some reason. So most of the footage was unusable, unfortunately.
7 and change, 57, and then this one is 68 right there. Yeah, so this one's 50, about 53. That'll have a package on it. We're good.
So today's video was actually a short video. I was expecting it to be a little bit longer, but like I said, we couldn't really use the footage that was captured. But we literally just saw the Type S as we were passing by the dealer, and when we came back, it was actually gone because somebody had went out for a test drive. So we waited for about 30 minutes for them to come back, and then we went ahead and test drove the vehicle. Unfortunately, I didn't get to do like a full interior tour of the car because there's people waiting to test drive that car because there's a lot of people interested in that car. Yeah, we got hands-on on the Integra for about 15 minutes or so until we had to return it, just because we have other people waiting in line that wanted to use the vehicle as well. I just noticed that these have like little lights on them.
Yeah, the puddle lights or the walk-up lights. And then, fun little thing, the red on here is the same red off the NSX engine cover.
Really?
Yeah, on the Type S.
Oh, that's neat. Ooh.
I know.
That's a nice sounding exhaust. That's the stock one, right?
Yeah.
Now there's like,
This is actually more guttural than the Type R is.
yeah, because the Type R, like, it sounds like a vacuum cleaner, whereas this one, like, you can really hear it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that has like a deeper tone to it.
Mm-hmm.
Now, do the valves open and close, like, depending on which mode you're in?
Yeah.
So, that's... Oh,
Yeah.
I like that.
Back pop.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. So it goes only up to Sport Plus. There's like no
There's no
Type S mode or whatever it's called.
Right.
Yeah, that's nice. But anyways, guys, what do you think of the Integra Type S? If you had the money, would you purchase it? Or, you know, would you purchase another vehicle for that almost $60K price tag on it? Plus dealer markups, depending on where you go. This dealer that I went to, they said that they don't have any markups on their vehicle, just as long as you live in the area. Aubrey, quick question. What do you think of the Acura Integra Type S?
I kind of think of it that it's kind of like it's a good car. I just want it to be like the Type R that you have.
Which car do you like better, the Type R or the Type S?
Type R.
Type R. So that blue car behind you is better? How come you don't like the Type S?
Because I just want it to be shape like
You like that?
Type R.
You like that better, the design?
So that's all for today's video, guys. Make sure you hit that like button and hit the subscribe button and turn on those notifications to notify you when Chris is making new videos. Adios!